Hi, are you responsible for Microsoft Teams quality across dozens of locations?
You know the pain. Quality drops, users complain, and somehow you're the last to find out. What if Kollective sent Teams quality alerts straight into your Slack channels, where your team already works? You could spot trends, collaborate faster, and resolve issues across entire locations. First, go to api.slack.com/apps. Click Create New App, choose from scratch, name it Kollective Teams Alerts, and select your workspace. Next, open incoming webhooks. Toggle it on, click Add New Webhook, choose your channel, and click Allow. Once it's created, click Copy to grab your new webhook URL. Now head to the Kollective portal. Go to Manage Notifications, Settings, then Destinations. Click Add Destination, select Slack, and under Notification Types, choose Stream Quality. Paste in your Slack webhook URL, add a description, and click Create. Finally, click Send a Test to confirm everything's working. Now, when Teams quality drops at any location, your team is alerted in Slack. You're proactive, not reactive. Have questions? Reach out to your Kollective team. Thanks for watching.